Ooh, man, I'm glad y'all here. Man, welcome to the Cooking General, man. Oh, man, but I had to cancel the schedule. I am so sorry. But I got a cousin come from out of town. I haven't seen him in 3 years. He's newlywed, and he married this girl. She's Italian. And I get to meet her for the first time, and I haven't seen him in 3 years. And they're going to meet me at my camp house. And he said, like, Cooking General, I've been telling her so much about you. You know, your videos on YouTube. I told her, you say you was the best cook coming up as a kid, how you used to cook stuff. You know what I'm saying? And so she really thinking highly to meet me, and I don't know what to do. And he said, can you cook something for us? I'm like, okay, what does she like? He said, well, she really want to meet you. She likes spaghetti. And I'm like, okay. He said, well, she wants to see how good you is, so we can't tell you too much more. So I said, well, just give me one more clue. I said, do she like meat? She a vegetarian? He said, well, yeah, she eat meat. And he said, now you hook it up. And he said, I'll be there in a couple hours, so I got to really rush to do this thing. And I said, why you didn't call me and let me know you was coming down? He's like, I didn't want to call you and let you know because I didn't want to spoil a surprise. Okay, so he want to put me to the test. Spaghetti, oh man. And then I'm a general, I'm a 5-star general. I know every spaghetti recipe known to man, but this one got to be particularly special. And I think I know how to do it. Come here, let me show you this. All right. Now, I'm going to make a cheesesteak spaghetti. Now, I know I can get them with that there because that's got a little bit of everything in it. So I'm going to have to take some spaghettis right here. I'm going to have to use some sour cream, some Velveeta cheese, Rotel, and milk. My seasons are going to be black pepper, steak seasoning, cayenne pepper, and a little parsley flakes. Then I'm going to do some like a biscuit garlic toast because I'm going to make some butter and garlic powder with these biscuits. And I'm going to cook them now because I'm going to flatten them out like toast. Then I'm going to use some olive oil to fry this steak in, but I'm going to cook my ground meat in a different skillet. And then I'm going to have onion, bell pepper, and mushrooms. Man, and then, oh, wait a minute. Spank them right there. Oh, camera person, spank them. That's what I'm talking about. Man, you better ask somebody. Man. Whew. Oh man, y'all still here? Man, thank y'all, man. Y'all be like, Cooking General, you sweat, man. It's just that I ain't seen my cousin in a while, and he didn't give me any warning. I was finna cook something different. But I think I got this here. Let me put this bit out. Come here, let me show you this here. Now, y'all tell me this right or not. Now, see, I got my mushroom. I sauteed them in a little olive oil right there. Then I got my steaks back here seasoned. And I'm finna add in my steak in this olive oil. Now, and I got steak seasoning on them. So, I'm gonna go ahead and get them going. Now, my ground meat, the only thing I did was add onions and bell pepper to it. Now, I'm gonna sprinkle some garlic powder on them. There. A little cayenne pepper. Just give it a little kick. And just a little black pepper. There. Now, we're gonna get this up browned up. All right. Now, for my sauce, I'm gonna go ahead and put my cheese in here. Fire on there. And this is non-stick skillet. Add me some milk. That way, give it a base to get started on. Then I'm gonna put me a dab of sour cream in here too. Like that. Now, over here, I got my noodles. Now, I got them already strained, letting them cool off. Then, for my biscuits, I got them over here. I flatten them out. Oh yeah, and I melt some butter. I got some parsley flakes and garlic off in there. And you want to brush them on there like that there, because we're gonna bake these here. In the oven, I got the oven already preset for 350. And I think this gonna come out good, man. Because I'm the Cooking General, man, but I ain't never been on this much pressure. I ain't never been on this much pressure before, man. Let me go and I got this. I'm gonna get it going. Okay, I know I'm a little nervous. Who's that door? Oh, ask somebody. Oh, man, okay. I ain't nervous. Welcome to the Cooking General, man. I got this by the balls. Anyway, yeah. Now I put my rotel off in my dip. I have my little rotel in it. Now I'm finna put my thing. I mix my steak. I got my mushrooms in there, my ground meat, all that there. Put it off in that cheese sauce. There we go. Let's get this out of here. Oh man. Whew. Now, got my pasta. Dump it in there. That. We'll get this mixed up. Man. Somebody at the door. Okay, no, they gonna beat me at the camp house. I'm gonna ask somebody. Okay, welcome back to the Cooking General, man. I don't even know why I was nervous, y'all. I'm the Cooking General, 5-star general, man. I can cook under pressure. I was in kitchens and cooking under pressure for many people. They tell me, cook this, cook that, and I can do it. But my cousin ain't seen me in a while, so I gotta get this right. Now, check this out here. Look at that there. Get some close up. You got steak, you got ground meat, you got your cheese, you got your rotel. I made those biscuits, I brushed them with garlic and butter. Man, look at them details. Man, come on. Come on. Why am I nervous? Why am I nervous? I ain't nervous. Who the man? Just tell me. Who the man? Who is that? Who is that?
Your cousin?